Musket Misfire, the reenactment weapon going off inside a busy museum, and the police investigation underway.
WCVB News Center 5 at 6.
Only on 5 tonight. Take a look real closely. A live round from a musket goes off as people practice reenactments for Patriots Day. This all happened inside a museum that was full of visitors. Our Ted Wayman is live in Westford right now. And Ted, you spoke to someone who was there when it happened?
I did, and well, yesterday, the museum hosted Minuteman Sunday. That's when Revolutionary regiments practice for the upcoming Patriots Day celebrations. But this one did not include blanks.
A Westford Minuteman accidentally fired off his musket inside.
Yes, you heard that police dispatcher correctly. A Minuteman's musket from the Middlesex 6th Regiment went off inside the Westford Museum. Leslie Howard was standing nearby.
They were in the back of the museum here. I was in the corner helping a visitor with a museum shop purchase, and then the musket went off and it went through the beam.
Police confirm it was a live round that went through a 6-inch beam and into the second floor. The good news? No one was hurt.
It was startling. I had 2 of my children here.
Witnesses told us museum visitors were visibly angry at the regiment and called police about the live round, who came in and confiscated the musket.
Anytime that there's a firearm or involved, whether it's a live one or one that just has cartridges or balls, it can be very dangerous. So
the museum has hosted Minuteman Sunday for years and is open to all visitors, but hopes Sunday's reenactment is a cautionary tale for upcoming Patriots Day celebrations.
I hope that they do continue to do the reenacting, because I think I enjoy seeing the reenactments. I think it can be fun for children to see and really bring history alive. We just hope that it doesn't bring it too alive.
We've reached out to the regiment looking for some type of comment. Still no word back. We're live in Westford. I'm Ted Wayman, WCVB News Center 5.